Now, somebody asked me once as well. Let me show you this. Let me just get a small little paring knife here. Somebody asked me once, "Hey, should we peel mushrooms?" I'm like, "Well, why would you do that?" Well, I just heard it's the right thing to do. Okay, look at this. Okay, so here's a paring knife. Here's my cremini mushroom. Now, if I was to peel this, okay, I'd get underneath the bottom, okay, and then peel. Oh, sorry, you can't even see it. And then peel my mushroom. Look, see that? So, why would people peel mushrooms? Like, I don't get it. It looks white. I don't care. Are you doing this instead of washing? What a load of time. Like, my goodness. I'm just going to peel this whole one here just to show you how long it would take you to peel every mushroom. Saves you from washing it. Okay, I get that. Oh, I missed a spot there, but I go back and get it. There we go. I peeled a mushroom. Imagine doing that for every single mushroom you ever came across in your whole life. Like, how much of a percentage of your life are you going to waste peeling mushrooms all that time? And then look on the board. You're going to throw away that much of the mushroom. Again, damp cloth, rub it if you're concerned. I'm going to use these skins and put them in my trimmings, so I'm not going to waste any. Rub it. We have a little bit of manure on there. Just flick it off, but don't do stuff like that, folks, please. I mean, you wonder why some people don't like to cook from scratch, because they hear all this malarkey on TV or the internet or whatever. And forget, I'm not gonna make that dish. You know how long it's gonna take me to peel all those mushrooms? It's just crazy. Don't ever do that, folks, please. I do this research for you guys to help you. And trust me, if I tell you to do something, it's because I really believe it's worth your effort. If I tell you not to do something, believe me, it's really because I don't think it's worth your effort. I'm here to look out for you. I'll do the research for you. All you guys got to do is just cook, right? Gonna go through.